Hi guys, I am back with another update with my cosplay. So, as you can see here, there we go, camera getting in focus. I am working on my katana, or as this cosplay. So, this is 3D printed from an ex-partner of mine, but we won't go into that. You have my Dremel tool here that I was learning how to use. Dremel does not label things, by the way. And it wasn't until I went into Bunnings today to get some normal sandpaper that I could use to get into the finer bits, I realized I used the wrong grit. Luckily, I just gave up on that for now and used the sandpaper I was given. I used the wet and dry very fine 400 grit, that one, and I did a sandpaper roll, what was the grit on that? So I did a 180 grit sandpaper first after I fucked up with the drummer. We're not going to end that. And then a 400 over the top, so it's all nice and smooth now. There's a little bit of problems getting into the edges. And then for these little bits here, I got in with a nail file to break down any pieces. And yeah, there's some, you can see, some broken bits and stuff. But, honestly, once the paint's on them, it'll be fine. I don't mind too much. It is, not angled properly, but that's just the way that is. 3D printing for you. So I'll be on to sealing, or priming, painting, and sealing this soon. And then wrapping the handle. So, yeah, stay tuned for that as I work on that. What else did I have to do for this? Yeah, my mess everywhere. I also had to, you can see a very obvious glue mark, but hopefully they'll be covered up with the sword wrapping. But I had to do that because it broke here and I think here. So yeah, I had some issues. Don't use Gorilla Glue, use Science of something or another glue, which is just super glue basically. It's the best for 3D prints. So yeah, here's my sword. Pants are crumpled there, classy. That's the wrapping from when it was in the process of moving. But yes. I get to wipe down with the chop cloth between the sand, and I'm hoping this will do the job. This is my first time doing this, and I'm excited to see how this turns out. So yeah, come on, stay tuned as I start painting and priming. And thank you.